So after we left the fish market, we decided to see if we could get to the top of the mountain. I don't know if it's gonna be possible. We only have a couple hours, so we gotta move quickly.
It looks really cool. I've seen it before. It's the cultural area in Busan with all the different colored buildings. So you can kind of see it. Can you see it?
We're trying to go way up there. Might be easier if we took a taxi, to be honest.
I'm kind of nervous to walk into like a sketchy area.
I don't think it gets sketchy in Busan. It's just like a second world country, like you said, maybe first.
Vancouver is sketchy.
Nah, we're good.
My name is Quincy, and this is my wife, Megan. We're high school sweethearts who are choosing to escape the ordinary and travel the world. We decided to sell everything and leave our home behind for the adventure of a lifetime. Subscribe to our channel and see where we're off to next.
Oh, no, life's what you make it. Oh, it's yours for the taking.
You literally reminds me of like Rio de Janeiro. Like the slums. It's pretty cool. Very, very interesting. It's probably a good time to do in the morning when everyone's sleeping. Don't know if we're supposed to be here or not. This is weird. Just keeps going up. Really steep stairs. Where are we?
Honestly, a little sketchy.
No, it's not. That was cool. This is what we've been looking for.
We've been climbing through this area and came to this road where there's like a little store. It's a really interesting place, and everyone is definitely giving us strange looks as we were walking up here. So
Megan's scared.
I don't know if it's the best idea. Well, I guess we'll find out.
So we're taking another secret passageway here.
It smells really interesting. Quinn, I really don't want to do this. It smells like pee. Oh my god.
I'm thinking it's time. Gotta get it. Gotta get it. I've been waiting to make a move.
There's definitely a very specific smell here, and I can tell you why, because I've already seen 2 people popping a squat since we've been here. There's obviously no bathrooms, and
Which sucks because I really need to
I
pee.
also really have to pee, but I don't want to be one of those people. But we've seen 2 people now.
We
just
will
peeing.
not pee in public. We will not.
So we're heading down. What did he ask?
What?
What did he say?
What?
What did he say?
No idea. Speak with me. Make sure you're filming, babe. Walking down the streets of Busan. Walking down the Stairs of Busan.
Can't go that way.
Look at how steep these stairs are. It's crazy. That's what you have to have for a rooftop deck.
We're literally in a maze.
What did we get ourselves into? Place is a maze. It's one thing I love, traveling and exploring, getting lost, and then finding your way back to, I don't know, your destination. I like getting lost, but I also like getting found or finding where I'm going. But I mean, as you can see, it's, if you don't explore, it's like you never see places like this. And some people watching this might be like, well, I don't want to see places like this. It doesn't look that like good. But I mean, what is the purpose of travel? Do you really want to see like the true culture, how people are living? Or do you want to just go where everyone else is going, and to the Starbucks and McDonald's and the new stores and Billabongs and Rip Curls and all these stores? I mean, definitely you probably want to see like some of that sometimes when you've had enough of exploring.
The drivers here are bloody insane. You have to be so careful. They just like go this close by you so fast. Like,
Down on Market Street.
down like a Market Street. It's insane. I don't know, we're actually a little bit lost right now.
A little?
We think we're going towards the main road.
Looks like we probably found the only vegan restaurant in all of Busan. But it's breakfast right now, and we already had breakfast, so not too hungry. And I don't think I can get back here. But it does exist. If you are a vegan in Busan, there's places.
We're lost. We're lost. We're lost. We're lost. We're lost.
Fish market.
If you can find a way to the fish market, then we can figure it out.
잠시만 기다려 주십시오. 충무동 사거리, 충무동 골목 시장 방향 횡단보도입니다.
Telling us something.
And so, what to do when you come to Busan? Well, to answer that, I would say do whatever you want to do. There's lots of options here. There's fish markets, regular markets where you can buy clothing and other cool Korean souvenirs. There's a million restaurants. Definitely a lot of options for those that like seafood and meat. And for vegetarian, I don't know. I guess we'll find out when we go to eat lunch. There's the cultural, what do you call it, Megan?
I don't really know. Cultural, like community.
Cultural community area with all the colorful houses, which you can actually take a shuttle bus up there. And I think that's what most people do, because after walking it, we kind of realized, one, it's pretty high up and it's hot out today. It's maybe like 20 degrees. And two, it's a little sketchy. We saw some weird stuff, which we won't say because, I mean, this is the culture here and you gotta respect that. So that's how they live. But yeah, definitely an interesting place to come.
I didn't know what to expect when coming to Korea, but this is definitely not it.
But is it a good surprise?
It's just different. Like from the photos I saw, I think the area that I saw the photos of, it was like these big shiny buildings, and this is much more like real than I was expecting, I guess.
I'm gonna turn it off now. I don't think this audio is gonna be very good because I keep feeling a gust of wind, so we'll start filming when we get rid of the wind.
One of my favorite things about cruises is how you get to get a little taste of places that you never really thought about going before.
It's a good way to decide if you want to spend more time in that destination.
What's this?
Fish High-End Market, Changmong.
We're on the right track. It is such amazing here. There's like hundreds of different alleys with everything you could ever want to buy. They have everything from houseware and suitcases to fish and dried goods here. Everything you need. One thing to remember if you're coming to the fish market is to wear flood pants like us. Flood pants. Flood pants. But don't wear white shoes like me because there's literally mud puddles and water splashing everywhere. You know how I said the smell wasn't that bad earlier? I retract that.